Jai Hind, gentlemen, I am standing in front of you to deliver a lecture on the topic Indo-US relation. For the better understanding, I divided my topic in three parts. First one is historical relation and the conflict between both the countries. Third one is the cooperation, and last my conclusion. Now come to the historical relation. India and Sri Lanka share very cordial relation approx 2500 years as the Buddhism spread from the India to the Sri Lanka during the era of Mahindra, the son of Buddha. Both the countries have strong relation due to the regional and cultural ties. The relation between both the countries have been marked by growing investment and purchasing goods, and also defense cooperation, cultural cooperation, and also etc. Now also, the relation between both the country are up and down due to some issues. Now come to the India role in the Sri Lanka geopolitical landscape. During the late 19th century, the Sri Lanka comprises of majority population of Sinhalese and with the minority of Buddhism and also the Tamils. As the government discriminate with the Tamils, so there was an uprising of movement by the Tamils. Public property was destroyed. India provide moral support to the Tamils. After that, in the late 1987, there was an Indo-Sri Lanka peace accord was signed between the India PM Rajiv Gandhi and President of Sri Lanka J.R. Jayawardene. According to this agreement, the provision was made that a greater autonomy provide to the Tamils, and also Tamil as declared as the official language of Sri Lanka. Now come to the conflict between both the countries. First one is fishing dispute, as Indian fishermen used the motorboats and later technology which deprived the Sri Lanka fishermen, and in the recent year over the 730 fishermen were killed in the sea. Now come to the second point, that is growing influence of China toward Sri Lanka. In recent year, China has strong ties with Sri Lanka, and as in especially in the terms of naval agreement, China leases the Sri Lanka leases the Hambantota port to the China for the 99 years, and also both the countries signed agreement for the three renewable power plant, which is three to the India. Now come to the cooperation part. First one is development cooperation. India extended three lines of credit for the Sri Lanka to purchase goods and development of economy and purchase petroleum and export wheat. And also India provide health equipment to the Sri Lanka. Now second is cultural cooperation. As we all know that India center in the Colombo, aware the Sri Lankans about the Indian culture like yoga, Hindi music, and also some activities. As on the 2nd October of 150th anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi, there were organized of some event in the Sri Lanka. Now come to the defense cooperation. Both the countries conducting joint military exercise Mitra Shakti, and also naval exercise Slinex, and also the Indian government provide training to the Sri Lanka military. And third one is the both the countries signed agreement to counter the drug trafficking, and also, and now come to the tourism, as tourism also play an important role for shared relation between both the countries, and also the government of India launched the e tourist visa for the Sri Lanka. Now come to the conclusion, as the Sri Lanka and India have are very good relation, and Sri Lanka president also declared that India is the everlasting friend of Sri Lanka. So both the countries have need to work together for strength their relationship. Thank you.